Hey guys, it's Dusty Showers from Creepy Creatures Termite and Pest Control, where we service all of Pinellas County, parts of Pasco County, and the Westchase area. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably had ants in your house. And one of the most common ants that we get is what's called a ghost ant. They're little translucent guys, but a lot of people will call them sugar ants, which is actually the most common name for them, is sugar ants. Some people even call them piss ants. But they're little tiny ants. Like I said, they're translucent, and you find them essentially all over in the kitchen areas are the most common place. Wherever you have food, they'll also come in. Office areas are common where people might eat food at their desk, and then the ants will go in the computers and whatnot. They like the warmth of the motor. Regardless, if you've got ghost ants or you've got sugar ants, Creepy Creatures is the company to help you out. Now, you want to make sure that you've got somebody that you can trust. Pest control is something that some people are good at it, and some people just really don't put forth the effort that you really need to put in. But dealing with ghost ants, there's two things that you really need. You need to be able to show up on the job, get out there. That's the number one thing, of course, and then use the right product. We have two basic products that we like to use when dealing with ghost ants. One of them is a liquid product, and we do rotate the brands of the products that we use. So we do use different products. We typically use a liquid product or we use a bait, and each case calls for different situations. So depending on the case, we'll use a different kind of product. But what's even more important is finding where the ants are coming from. If you can figure out how ants are getting in, you're golden. And that can be done on an outside inspection. On the inside, you can look and see, are the ants disappearing into a wall, maybe into a crack by a window? And then you go on the outside and you find out if they're showing up anywhere on the outside. That's where we come in. We're really good at that. We're great at taking care of ants and other bugs. So give us a call, give us a text, either one, text message. We always respond right away, and we can tell you exactly how we can help you out with our 110% money back guarantee. And what that means is that if you call us out and we come out and we take care of your problem and it comes back, you just call us or text us and we get right back out and we treat it again. And if it comes back, we'll keep coming out until your problem is taken care of. And if we still can't make you happy, we'll give you back 100% of your money plus $25 for your time and trouble. That's how confident we are in our service. So give us a call today, 727-488-5657.
Google Creepy Creatures Pest Control. Send bugs to bug heaven. Call 727-488-5657.
Good possum.